The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is about an incident where it is said that a taxi operator beat a taxi operator with a baseball bat. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the video is about an incident where it is said that a taxi operator beat a taxi operator with an object that resembles a baseball bat or a baton. See it? But before we get into any details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And I would like to send a shout out to Ovid, aka 007. Yeah, I said Ovid, not COVID. Alright? Now, the first time I heard about this incident is when someone sent me a video and said, Dancehall Skiller, a taxi man beat a man with a baseball bat and kill him. And I said, Jano, something bad happened in Jamaica again, a wagwan, is it? So I did some research about the incident or about the video, and I got information that a taxi operator beat a taxi operator with an object that resembles a baseball bat or a baton in the place that is known as Mandeville, that's within the parish of Manchester, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 28th of July, the year 2021. It is said that the injured taxi operator had been taken to a hospital, and it is said that he had been hospitalized. It is said that he is in stable condition, so he is alive. See? And it is said that the other taxi operator had been taken into police custody. Yeah, it is said that a police officer who was not in uniform arrived at the scene of the incident. It is said that another police officer also arrived at the scene of the incident. I'm not sure if that police officer was in or out of uniform. However, it is said that those police officers helped to restore order and to get the injured person to a hospital. You see? Allegedly, it is said that the same taxi operator who had beaten the taxi operator with an object that resembles a baseball bat or a baton tried to or had driven his motor vehicle over the taxi operator who he had beaten with the object. And allegedly, it is said that the two taxi operators was having a dispute or an argument over a passenger, and the whole situation escalated into the incident where it is said that a taxi operator beat a taxi operator with an object that resembles a baseball bat or a baton. Viewers and subscribers, for you to get a better understanding about the whole incident, I'm going to present to you piece of an entire video that is circulating on social media about the incident. Now, please bear in mind that this video is about an incident where it is said that a taxi operator beat a taxi operator with an object that resembles a baseball bat or a baton. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
On a movie car. Blood clot! He won't drive over, man. He won't drive over. And look how police ever there, so all the police are there, so. See if you move, you know? You have to come out of that. So then do you take out in key?
Someone with a gun?
Where?
Someone have a gun?
Which one? They take out in key one. Let's nobody in a blue. Oh, I see it in the hand. I must see police one. A police. A police one. Me know him. Yeah. No man, I know. Let's see how on it. Let's see ID.
Oh, yeah, let me see. You kill him, no?
The next police come to him. Man, they full of plain clothes police, so I have no idea.
Man, that's not saucy because they don't know say police that.
Where's the ID running neck, bro?
I don't know, but they say when you look without the
Oh,
ID,
you're not gonna know, man. A bad boy, them, you know, man.
Say, man, them man still up on the ground?
Yeah, see them try to put him in the night. See, they have him in the back of the taxi.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, I don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?